Hello, this is Benjamin with UserSpike, back with another quick tip. Today we'll be going over how to add a user to your Spark editor. Starting on dashboard, we'll go down to admin and then into users. Then we'll go ahead and click on create new, and we'll first start with a name. This can be their full name or just a nickname. So for today, let's go with Bill, email, password, and then you can put the phone number and address if you wish. You do not have to. Roles, if you want them to be able to get into essentially everything in the left-hand menu, you can go through and do dealer admin. The next one down is for integration. So if you do have Lightspeed integrations, you want them to be able to get into that, please check that box. If you want them to be able to check leads underneath the lead manager, check this box. If you want them to be able to see and process orders, make sure you check that box. If you want them to be able to edit the new models page of your site, make sure that you do that. If you want them to be able to do things like change paragraphs and text on various pages of the site, make sure you have site enabled. Store, if you want them to be able to get in, see, and control aspects of your e-commerce store, make sure this one's done. And the rest of these, Endeavor leads, you'll only need if you were with us when we had in the Endeavor platform and are now with us on the Spark platform. Legacy import pricing, if you were with us on the Endeavor platform and you're looking to move your old e-commerce information into PSS, you'll want to have that. Reports, if you want to report on any of the traffic or other tools that we have, make sure to click that. And if you are the person that's going to be editing and creating blog posts, make sure that they have that. Then the last thing we'll do here is we'll go down and click on sign up. And now we have Bill as an actual person that can go in here and make changes to various pages of the editor and your website. That's all I have for you today. Thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.